it's going to be either tomorrow or day after. That depends upon the availability of certain arrangements that they want to do. As you guys know that we were all ready and pumped up for a Jal show tonight, but unfortunately we couldn't control certain things. The weather is not in our control and also not in their control. So organizers, they're trying really hard to make it happen, and we've decided to do it tomorrow. Although myself, we were just going back tomorrow, but the good news is that I have committed to these guys to stay here for another day so that we can perform, and that's purely for the love of all Jal fans who are very excited and who just want to come on the concert and looking forward so that we can do the same concert tomorrow with the same energy, with the same love that these guys have. And this is just want to clear this, that weather, it's actually, it was very unfortunate if it's not in our hands. So tomorrow will be an indoor venue, and they will announce it. And what my part is that we have changed our flights and we are staying here to do this concert. First, initially they were thinking so that I could go back and come back here again, but I have said no. Since we are here, the whole band is here, so Jal will be inshallah performing tomorrow for all the fans, and let's hope for the best. So it's going to be either tomorrow or day after. That depends upon the availability of certain arrangements that they want to do. Obviously these guys, they didn't know, so these guys have to sort of rearrange everything, and they need time, but hopefully it'll be tomorrow. If not, then it'll be day after. But the good news is that Jal is here in the city, and we're just going to have some more Bengali food, and we'll just visit some more malls and new places. And yeah, so actually, no, honestly, I wanted to stay here more, but it was such a tight schedule that we have some commitments back home. But I think कहते हैं जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So it's about time that we should chill here more, enjoy the weather, and let's hope for the best that these guys will arrange these things maybe tomorrow or day after, and we will execute this concert.